Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can calculate totals in Excel using formulas and functions. So let's get started. Suppose you have a list of products with their quantities and unit costs, and you want to calculate the total for each item and then a grand total at the bottom. To begin, click in the first cell where you want the total. Type an equals sign, then select the quantity cell, type the asterisk, and select the cost cell. Press Enter, and Excel will calculate the total for that row. Instead of typing formulas for every line, use the fill handle that's small square at the corner of the cell. Drag it down, and Excel will automatically copy the formula for all rows, adjusting for each line. Now, to calculate a grand total, click in the last cell and use the sum function. Type equals sign sum, then highlight all the totals in that column and press Enter. Excel adds them all up instantly. This way, you've built both row totals and a final total for your entire dataset, saving a lot of manual work. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.